In this session, we will learn how to create a store procedure for select all from table. So here we can see that there is a catalog database, and corresponding to it, there is an employees table, and that's having an ID as auto increment primary key, then the name as Envercha Max, city Envercha Max, then agent, profession also Envercha, then pin code with an int type character. And when we have given this particular table with the edit of 200 rows, this particular tab got opened up that was showing the whole of the fields available. And when we give a debug, we can see the updated fields as seen in this picture. And this, I mean, this designer window. Now, in order to create a store procedure for select all, to have to view all the table fields, so we need to give for this particular tab, new query tab, and the new query designer window will be opening up as such, and we have to type up first will be the use, then followed by the database name. That is here we are intended to get the catalog. After passing the catalog database, we give the core keyword, and we have a syntax for creating a store procedure that it starts with the create. Then we have the keyword called procedure, and next comes the name, the arbitrary name that we're giving for the procedure. So select all table, we can give it. Select all table. Then as is a mandatory field, then followed by between begin and end statements. We have to give the query that is select star from the table name. At the star asterisk would mean that it is all. So select star from the table name. So here the table name is employees. So that will start auto generating by itself. So we have to just make a selection. And once that has been done, we have to make sure that we have to take care of the select all from table name is not coinciding with any other similar table name in this store procedure section. So when you give a refresh and see, you have to make sure that select all from this table name, the same is not arising anywhere with the. So once that has been done, we have to give an execution. When we give an execute, we can see the command has been executed successfully. So that means this store procedure is supposed to get resided in the store procedure tree. So we will close this, then followed by, we'll just give a refresh of the tree. So we can see a select all table is available here. So, to execute this select all table, we have to go for the new query designer window once again, and we have to call up the appropriate database name, then followed by go keyword. Then we can execute. We have to give the execute keyword here. Execute. Just or select up the store position name that you want to execute. So in this case, it is select all table. So you have to make sure this is syntax and everything is right. So when you can execute, so we can see the set of the fields are coming up over here. So this is not the one that we have created. So we have to give. It is select all table. Even execute with the same thing that is coming up here, we can see these employees catalog. So we have to close up this. And when we open up this employees table with edit of 200 rows, we can see exactly the ones that the store procedure is showing. This is the exact table, and this is the store procedure table. And we can see that all the fields are the same things. So this is how an store procedure for select all from table is been created and been executed. Now, in case if you want to drop up this particular store procedure, then we can say that it is drop procedure. We have to name it as procedure. Select all, and we have to give an execute. We have seen that it is a command has got executed successfully. So we can give a close, and we can refresh the tree once again in the store procedure tree. And we can see that the select all from table has got completely disappeared from the store procedure tree section. So this is how we can create a store procedure, execute a store procedure, and drop a store procedure.